Okay, so we've got two equations to have a look at. We're adding in both of them, and we're adding, by the looks of it, yep, mixed numbers. So we have an integer, so a whole number, 1, and then we have a fraction, so a third, plus a whole number integer, so 2, and then a fraction, 2/7. So there's quite a few ways you can do it. We're going to use a regrouping method. And again, there's quite a few ways of laying this out, setting out the working. We're going to set it out in a certain way as well, and we'll use this consistently. So having it like that's useful, and you can work from that sort of setup, but I'm going to set it up like this. So use a column sort of a method approach. So 1, oh, don't know what happened there. Okay, so 1 and 1/3 plus, and we'll go here, 2 and 2/7. So right off the bat, what we're going to do is we are going to regroup and deal with the whole numbers first. So 1 plus 2 is 3. Then we're going to take our fractional parts and deal with those separately. So we have a third, and we're going to add 2/7. So let's have a look at this particular problem. Okay, so probably by the looks of it, a good way to do this would be to convert to 21sts. So let's do that. 7 times 1 is 7, 3 times 2 is 6, and we're adding those two together. So we're going to get 1321. So we know that this is the answer to adding a third plus 2/7. So that can go here, 1321. And this becomes our final answer. So let's try the same method with this particular question over here. And we'll start off by regrouping. So first of all, reformatting, sorry. So we go 5 and 2/3 plus 1 and 8/11. So we're going to regroup, and the regrouping starts off with our whole numbers. So 5 plus 1 is 6. Now we're going to regroup with these guys and actually turn it into an equation. So 2/3 plus 8/11, and let's try and solve this. I can see straight away 30/3 is going to be the denominator. So 11 times 2 is 22. 3 times 8 is 24. So we end up with 46 over 33. So I can put 46 over 33 here, but I also notice that 43 is greater than 46 is greater than 33, so it's an improper number. So I really should simplify. So this becomes 1 and 13 over 33. Okay, so this should be brought over to here. And we should bring it over really like this. So 1 and 13 over 33. And that becomes 7, adding those two together, these two whole numbers, and 13 over 33. And that is our final answer.